director of Classic Care Assist, the new company which has a brand name called L Care. L Care means elder, elder care, which is we are going to be taking care of all the elderly people pan India. Here we have a concept called parenting. The parenting is of care and parenting. We are going to be looking after all the senior citizens and all the elders in India. We are going to look after their all needs, and this the speciality of this is the USP of this is we are our is going to be the care is going to be taken by the ex-armed forces or the ex-military people. So this is the best part of it. So you don't need to worry. The trust factor is very strong here. We have an allied list of services. You can go to our website www.lcare.co. And today here I can proudly announce that we started in 11 cities in northern India and one city in south, that is Bangalore. Cities like Delhi NCR. We started in Ambala, Chandigarh, Tri-City, Panchkula, Mohali, Ludhiana, and many more cities, which you can get the details on the website. I would like to emphasize that this is a need of the hour because of the nuclear family concept that has come into India. All our elders are on their own. Many people or many children who go abroad, who study, they settle down there, leaving their parents behind, and there is nobody to look after the parents. So this is the concept which came into our mind because we are closely associated with a lot of social things that we do in the other company. We have a foundation called Classic Care Foundation. The main company, this is a Classic Group. So we have various verticals. We also do logistics and packaging services for Pan India for steel and glass industry. And then we also started with the Classic Care Foundation. In the COVID time, we fed about 40,000 people. Then we started with another company that is Classic Healthcare Labs, wherein we are making all COVID-related products, and then now we are diversifying into pharmaceutical products also. And this is the launch today of this Classic Care Assist company with the brand name L Care.
ये आइडिया आपको कहाँ से आया है कि आपने ये शुरुआत करनी है?
जी देखिए, मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि ये फैमिली में एक संस्कृति के हिसाब से, एक कल्चर के हिसाब से है. बिकॉज आई हैव माई मदर हु इज़ अबाउट 85, शी स्टेज विद मी एंड आई लुक आफ्टर हर एंड आई सी लॉट ऑफ माई अदर फ्रेंड्स who are settled abroad and their parents, when I meet them, I can see that illness is one thing, but loneliness and there is nobody to look after, that insecurity which is there, that is what is most important. So this is what we thought, that in our little way, at minimum cost, we will try to render services to these elders and seniors in India. This is going to be based on subscription plans. There are 5 subscription plans starting from about 1,000 rupees a month to about 12,000 rupees a month, depending on what kind of service they can afford. And then of course there are a lot of other allied services which come along with this. Illness is one thing, ICU setting up is one thing, nursing is one thing, doctors is one thing. There is a whole lot of services. Like even we offer services like if somebody needs a maid or a cook, also they need some licensing with the government, they need some technical support, some IT support, some home furnishing support, like a lot of other services we are providing them. So we have you can say it's a one-stop shop for all the elder and senior care needs in India. This is what we've done.
आपको लोग किस तरह से अप्रोच कर सकेंगे
नहीं, ये हमने अपनी वेबसाइट बनाई है और हमारे अबाउट 15 जो मिलिट्री वाले एक्सपीरियंस लोग हैं, वो जो ऑलरेडी एल्डर केयर इंडस्ट्री में काम करते थे, वो डिफरेंट सिटीज़ में ऑपरेट करते हैं. यू कैन कॉल देम केयर मैनेजर्स, वी कॉल देम केयर मेट्स and care angels. The ladies are called care angels. So they can go on the website, log on the website, and also the mobile app of this is very going to come very soon by the second week of March, wherein they can log in and become a member. So once you subscribe to the plan in your city, out of these 11 cities, if you subscribe to the plan, immediately our person will contact you and they will ask you for what kind of subscription plan you would like to go to, and accordingly they will render services to you.
This is Pan India project?
Yeah, today we are launched in 11 cities. Most of them are in northern India, but this is phase 1. In phase 2 we'll be starting in end of June or first week of July. We'll be also doing it in the western region and the eastern region also. So we like to go slowly so that we have a strong foothold and we don't go wrong anywhere.